Bullish Spell token cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0 2030. Market investigators accept Spell could reach $0 2025. While this idea isn't new in the DeFi space, Abracadabra contrasts from stages like off since it acknowledges revenue-bearing tokens like $Memo, $XSushi, and different bend, raised tokens as guarantee. Abracadabra likewise offers yield-cultivating open doors, where clients can stake their liquidity supplier tokens to cultivate Spell token. The task was established by Daniel Sesta, who is additionally answerable for Popsicle Money and Wonderland, both on the torrential slide chain. Close by him are 0x Merlin and Squirrel, fellow benefactors of Abracadabra, who deal with the stage and all in all distinguish themselves as individuals from the Frog Country local area. Notwithstanding the peculiar name, Abracadabra's prosperity represents itself with no issue. Last year, it produced a normal of $2.2 million every week in charges and around $5 billion in TVL. What's more, the organization kept $120 million in yearly income. Spell token coin outline. Spell token is the stage's local money in light of the Ethereum blockchain, however a lot higher in amount than MIM. These coins are really tracked down less regularly available for use. This is on the grounds that they are generally utilized as a type of administration token on Abracadabra's own foundation. Administration tokens give holders the choice to either cast a ballot themselves or representative their votes in regards to changes on the responsible stage's overhauls. This basically implies they become a type of partner, and similarly likewise with ordinary stakeholding. The more capital they promise, the more noteworthy their say in proposed changes to that stage's organization. Spell tokens additionally permit their holders a choice to acquire automated revenue by marking the genuine tokens themselves also. Spell patrons are given MIM in return for their contributed tokens, which can likewise be utilized themselves. Spell benefactors likewise acquire intermittently from exchanging expenses made on Abracadabra's foundation when they stake Spell. As referenced in the tokenomics, these profit are dispersed through S-Spell. In the event that you lease liquidity from suppliers in return for Spell payoff sufficiently long, there will probably come a day when those suppliers find better rewards somewhere else. At the point when that day shows up, Abracadabra's all-out esteem locked will lessen. To tackle this, Abracadabra Cash collaborated with Olympus DAO to assume command over its liquidity. Convention claimed liquidity, or Paul implies the profound liquidity it rents is under its extremely durable prudence. Paul permits conventions like Abracadabra to zero in on conveying better items without stressing over its liquidity leaking endlessly. Spell token is presently worth $0. Spell has moved 11.28% as of now with an exchanging volume of $8,959,113. Spell token is presently positioned 295 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $58,842,428 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination difference from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Spell token to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous Spell token market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Spell token value expectation 2022. Spell token, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The Spell cost figure for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, yet it is doable soon given expected joint efforts and headway. Spell is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Spell token value expectation 2023. In 2023, Spell token Spell cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Spell will before long outperform $0. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the Spell's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Spell will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Spell token value forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0. Spell might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Spell is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2024. Spell token value forecast 2025. On the off chance that Spell token effectively supports market opinion among digital money fans, the Spell coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Spell will be green in 2025. The spell is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. Spell token value expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the spell cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0 2026, with a base cost of $0 before the year's end. Besides, spell has a most extreme value worth of $0. Spell token value forecast 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. On the off chance that spell figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $0. Neglecting to accumulate the help spell needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $0. Spell token value forecast 2028. While Spell is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $0, a yearly cost close above $0 2028. Spell token value forecast 2029. By 2029, Spell token will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $0, possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $0, averaging out at $0. Spell token value expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest spell cost in 2030 is projected to be $0 case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $0. What is the spell token cost today? Today, Spell token is exchanging at $0, a complete market capitalization of $58,842,428. Is Spell token a wise venture? Spell token ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is shrewd to say that Spell is a decent decision of venture. How high can Spell token go? The typical cost of Spell token might potentially reach $0 a year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that Spell token might outperform $0. What amount will Spell token be worth in 5 years? In light of the rising notoriety of digital money and Spell token, a drawn-out interest in Spell could see the value ascend to $0 the following 5 years. What amount will Spell token be worth in 10 years? In the event that you put resources into Spell token today, likewise with any speculation, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost of Spell might actually ascend to $0 the following 10 years. What will the Spell token cost be in 2023? Spell token cost is supposed to reach $0 2023. What will the Spell token cost be in 2024? Spell token cost is supposed to reach $0 2024. What will the Spell token cost be in 2025? Spell token cost is supposed to reach $0 2025. What will the Spell token cost be in 2026?